United. Their results against the Orlando Pirates, it's not just by fluke. It's not luck or anything of that sort. Look at them in terms of their recruitment over the past few years. They've brought in a lot of high number of experienced players. Targeting teams like Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, your Mamelodi Sundowns, bringing in more experienced players from those types of teams, players who are used to playing big games. So when it comes to such matches, those players are able to thrive, those players are able to showcase their best, mix it up with a bit of youth, bringing in youngsters who will help out the team. Looking at the likes of your Viola Clappers, those players are gonna go very far with the experienced players that are already there at the club. You look at Ukleto Mahala's creativity last season, them bringing in Bradley Kropler, who is exceptional. He didn't get a goal against the Orlando Pirates, but in terms of his movement, it was just amazing, to see a striker moving like that, how he's able to duck defenders, how he's able to get himself on the ball, whether it's inside the box or outside the box, he's always managing to create space for himself. That experience is showing from Kropler, and I think it's going to be a key asset this season, backed up by all those chances that will be created from your Letlapers. He's a good creator coming in from the right back position, looking at Sekeleto Makhala in that left wing position, in terms of his creativity. In that midfield, your Mornares, your teams, your Mkizes will be vital for his Kukune this season, and I'm very keen to see, I wish I could predict the future so that I could see where his Kukune ends up, but I don't think they'll end up below top 4. They did say that Coach Tingler did say that they're looking at to get 50 points this season. They've achieved their first 3 points away from home, in Orlando, which is very, very huge. Credit to a team like Skukun, in to management, the technical team, and to those players. I think they're gonna have a very, very wonderful season.